Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch Football Club 2 in the Nedbank Cup. A very entertaining game which went to extra time. Peter Shalulile scoring 2 goals and ultimately even the winning goal as well for Mamelodi Sundowns. Could have been easy for Sundowns, but they made it difficult for themselves. Stellenbosch had a good fight in this match. Patricia Zananga scoring a last-minute equalizer to take the game into extra time. Muchune Kanyawo, analyst on ETSK TV. Interesting game. I think we all thought that Sundowns were going to take this game, but we didn't think that it was going to happen as difficult as this. They scored 3 minutes before penalty shootouts. Otherwise, how did you see the game? What are some of your observations?
Yeah, first of all, the thing Bulise wena Nkululeko. Ngibulise uBenedict Vilakazi. Ngibulise no Justice. Yeah. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV. You know Diski TV is the best. Yeah, Nkululeko. In reality ukuthi a very very tough game for Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. Now I thought it's gonna be easy for Mamelodi Sundowns since welling babone kule game le babuya kuyo. But in reality ukuthi Steve Parker had make yenze impila Sundowns even players wakhe ayenze abanzima. Also coaches were Sundowns ayenze mistake. Why starting Rivaldo could say kule team bedlala bedlala umkhulisi kudlala uThemba Mshishizwane ngikhuluma ngalabantu abayi3 in the middle. Kule game le babuya kuye namhlanje ufaka uRivaldo Kutse mangamcheck uslow umfana slow kanjalo ipositioning yakhe uyayilahla makadlala imiddle uyacheka uphasa square njengale bhola lenzile susa mohle ebholweni. I game iSundowns njoba ngisho ngithi all in all iyezenzela ama coaches ubunzima njoba ngisho ifike la ize yafika la ku extra time ba concede goal iSundowns kungamelanga bali concede mistake yabo. Yeah, understand. Like I said before, ngishilo ukuthi Sundowns if is a draw is a draw ngoba ama coaches they make mistakes. Decision making ama decision from ama technical team yabi coaches on the bench. Also nema mistake wabo mawunga checka njengale mistake Rivaldo Kutse understand ukuthi why igenzeka ngalendlela ukuthi azayenza kanje abone ukuthi achekile lahle positioning uchekile udlala square. So all in all the game was definitely sure not easy for Mamelodi Sundowns. Both teams, especially Stellenbosch first 10 minutes bebana this thing yokuthi bafuna catch up iSundowns ngama counter attack. Bebadlala beba break shoot it was easy for them ukuthi ba break iSundowns, especially coach Thema analyze ama game eSundowns. Bena this thing with first 10 minutes ngicela ngizwe kahle labantu laba at the back they are very slow. You don't play in the middle. For me Robin Jones you know ukuthi is technically good. Lo mjita lo center back ubani Robertson also McVeigh nalengwenya ledlala ka right I think umacheke Fanerde yeah sorry yeah Fanerde technical they are good. Ibhola imiddle fit abayidlali developer from the middle lwele ngale beyond defense Sundowns banika inkinga first 10 minutes bangacheka cause Sundowns bayacheka ngama full backs bese kuba i 2 against 2 lapha phambili. And mawungaba checka le 2 against 2 bekuba inkinga lo mfana Ludiprin bekaba inkinga kakhulu ngoba kanza ngathi uyalifuna okanye lenye inze ngathi uyalifuna lo mfana ay wide aspine badlale behind kube inkinga. So I think by sort out ukuthi iSundowns ulo mawungachecka between uRivaldo Kutse uye wasuka bebathi mabaphethe ibhola ngikhuluma ngedefense yelo ye Stellenbosch beba presser usho ukuthi baye high labantu abayi3 labadlala phambili kuSundowns ethi ku high ukuthi bangalisusa ibhola etephe ngoba inkinga beyisuka la. So bathema bahlala nga first 10 minutes there uRivaldo wasuka na kupepa ku back 4 because bekalethi confusion between mabamakha kulapho kule first 10 minutes ngoba lo mjida bekadabuka la kungekho Zoya ngekho mayo ngoba makadabuka uza ngathi uza lapha phakathi emiddle and then aspine kuba iproblem because they thought uRivaldo uzohamba naye. So bayisothile first 10 minutes. Yeah, after that I think the coach bekuthi this thing ukuthi we score we sit on the back at the back uyenzile wakora azanga sadlala nga first 10 minutes and then you can't do that against Mamelodi Sundowns even if the technical team does some mistake njengale mistake abenzile first lineup team grand i lineup yonke but uRivaldo yapi slow uRivaldo mela sebenze ngale is lazy man nginenkinga kusinta manje. I think Pizzo before hamba he was starting to ukuthi at least I think bebamthangilishe khona igame engayibona uPizzo adlane Sundowns le game le last season labamthangilisha khona icoach Mbiza imthangilishe. Yeah, you could see andile Jali ngihlale ngibeka namanje has brought it different le game namhlanje ngamcheka. He did very well in midfield in terms of box to box. Bekapha support i-attack aphinda zoyinceda i-defense yakhe and mangabe njengoba attack ngama fullback bekayicheck ukuthi iliphi side elambile afika dropele kulo, which is very good. So i-Stellenbosch azange sibe inkinga kakhulu kule game namhlanje kuMamelodi Sundowns, but i-problem babe nayo first 10 minutes. Second half i-coach also yenza mistake, ukhipha uNasimento mele ukhipha uRivaldo mafaka uKapinga. Mina i-coach bengifuna ukuthi bengifisa khipha uRivaldo kuthi mfethu yekela uNasimento, leave him. You understand? Monga cheka second half coach ifaka unanga yafaka nales other midfielder Mendieta le Brazil le Argentinian. Monga mcheka good individual brilliant kule goal number 2. Ingwenya ngokuthatha utshali. We need such things. Lento lengihlale ngikhala ngithi ama South American and us we similar like these guys. Mele hlale so Sereno similar guys you know Mendieta. South Americans, they take players abo Brazil, Argentina. This is how we play in South Africa. Beka le individual brilliant espane kanjani. Uthatha umuntu ongene boxini, if umkhiksile lapha it's a penalty, makangene boxini, makafika lapha eboxini yethu ukuthi adlale isquare pass akusipass. If very easy masongene boxini, angithi check somebody else. There's a gap. Usengashaya between the keeper and the line. Ba face labo bazikorela.
I have to say though, Guti, there were so many opportunities created by Sundowns. At some point you couldn't understand why it's not going in. Peter Shalulile had so many opportunities. He scored 2 goals, well done to him. But he maybe missed 3 or 4 more where Usage Stevens, Yamshaya, it's not even saving it. It just hits him. He doesn't even understand what happened. Goalkeeper was Stellenbosch Football Club. So I think, would you say you understand why Stellenbosch is because they had a double block. They had 4 midfielders, 4 defenders, plus 2 forward players. And they were behind the ball. Do you understand why they approached the game like that? Do you think if they approached it differently, would they have been able to go to extra time, close to a penalty, if they had approached it openly?
If you are ngqondo ukuthi iSundowns izokupitha uzwa ngalendlela icoaching ngayo, the whole team must defend, the whole team must attack. Right, usele nga2 in fact kuba i4-1-1 i4-4-1-1 ngoba le one now drop afikela I think esent uyama okanye wele ngapha kwesent. When they hit that guy liko lentwana ilimele le ntwana he was very energetic, sideways, running sideways. Sometimes you get kicked behind because mental protect beze ul protect kanjani kule body. I coach ngendlela yangabe ngeke last mina ngibonile namanje is fortunate to right uShalule bekumele koreba ma 4-5. Yeah, no Sereno goalkeeper umsavile mangamcheka. Yeah, all in all inkululeke igame ongayicheka njoba ngisho. Igame iSundowns dominated just the decision making njoba ngisho into emidlile yekele team le badlali le bedlala last man. It was more dominant. Uyilungiselani ngamoshekanga. Yabo i-team yabo be right bafaka i-team egrand and right mina enye into engibonile namhlanje mabuye on the right back I think did well again game namhlanje mina ngimthanda la.
I wanted to emphasize a little bit on the approach of Stellenbosch because we need to it's teaching moments every time 100,000 people watch these videos. What would have been the better thing for Stellenbosch to do? The way that they played was their most practical way, but decided, but if Saleganje, we can even push the game to a penalty, right? What is the other way that they could have done this to get themselves a victory, knowing about Sundowns as by Stellenbosch?
All the teams, not to Stellenbosch, but just to answer you today. Sure. Can they circulate the ball and try to score? I think try to score. Irrespective, ipek for any ashala. Very banga take scared of Sundowns in the middle and circulate the ball and error right. And then this guy you can rely on, tell them goodbye wide. Angita basami by Boni the first 10 minutes. Tell them to come wide, pas pine. And then go be nabanyaba breaker. But you need to sign a special Steve Parker. Go came namhlanje. Intebe ngekspane noma ngaba circulate. Bazoba senda anyone. Ngoba lentwana le bezo run second half was going to get hurt. Mina ngu coach when you focus element this boy. Baby 3. Yeah, and then ngifake umchitalo foreigner in the middle. Ekeme namhlanje. Ku game namhlanje. 3 up front. Uskele mulo mchitalo uMendieta. No, it's in Chelengule. It's gonna be different. Utipren and Skelem, Ilengwenya le, and then Fagulo number 10 Mendieta.
Yeah, it would have been an interesting one.
We understand. seriously. And then after that ngifaka i-2 center nange mina bengizomtshela ukuthi stay in the middle ukuthi mhlambi by box to box mara more off, and then you get this guy lobeka abashayile anchor, it was going to be interested. I'm telling you, if you approach a game kanjalo ngabe it's a different story now, but you approach a game defensive. Steve Parker namhlanje ungena igame very nervous. Mawungamcheck back 4 yakhe beba 5 bebangasi futhi ngikhuluma ama defender ngoba lengwenye idlala ianchor beyipepa babe 5. So there's no way ukuthi bangayibambi noma bakora. There was no way ukuthi banga ngoba ikore ngemistake azange bali-create lela ball. So bebafuna ukuyibamba ngale sting yokuthi we gonna sabamama ngama counter. Yeah. You understand? But Sundowns they are very clever. Nascimento is a very le Brazilian lenzima kakhulu. Ingwenya ina speed but you check the timing.
Sure. All right, let's wrap it up. You mentioned something very interesting when the game was going on. Sundowns obviously going through, they're the defending champions, going through to the next round, last 16. This was the last 32, now last 16 of Nedbank Cup. In very short, brief, as we wrap up the video, you said something about the continuous domination. What is your observation about that?
Very serious. I think even last time we was the question, they're still gonna dominate. They didn't play the best of their game today, but still they won. Now last in Joba Sisho, Axitime best they still won. The answer is simple. Mshilo a Sundowns, each and every player that plays there, most of them they deserve to be there. No man be team yonke, but most they sign according to e brand of the football team edlalayo. I-culture they stick to them. And in things we continuously. Our coaches when they check, an example, when Peter is there, we check age by signing the age. There was one time I remember Scott Saka to phone to sign and release Aboteko and stuff. He said he want under 25. And then you had to add Mabawina when they went to Africa with a fag experience. Those players they grow. Abanye beba under 25. I remember a challenge league. Who take under 25? He had about 2-3. I'm a player but that they were not under 25. He said that and look at that thing it continues. But and they still dominate. And then now you brought up cupping and look at the age. You brought up Domingos, look at the age. Kalezo, look at the age. Mkulisi. How long they gonna play? Go to MTC, you check and Jobang Chelile. Inside pin and Zipin. Jobutung explain it. Under 18 MTC abo. They don't care about the results, but they care about the culture abo. Utina Slada so Peganam Sanje they score. If it's Nkulmange, they stick their culture to their culture. If you had to calm it down, Senyinto, they bring you Nkululego Gunguti, you must have something ebanganayo. Like Sereno Mom check with this park. It's gonna continue, and they're gonna bring somebody if they bring him. MTC has just arrived now. Last time by Kipil. We understand. So age, must sign. It's very important to sign maybe numbers of age. About 10 players about the age advantage, and then players about getting a 2 years they're gonna retire. You understand? South Africa is a retire son, and then you keep them. You need experience with them to understand this good or funan. They need to believe it to themselves. So it continues the Sundowns and then in coach about Sana almost the same. Upito always obvious Upito's profile Lengwenya is 7 under piece, and then you give him the job. It's a continuous libanjalo. You can awuletanga abantu abasha burulande work under Pizzo. Yena manqoba. uPizzo usebenzile naye futhi. I remember mina mangise France ngenze example ngibengibona ngihamba na uPizzo asebenza naye uSteve Kompela. So they know each other. So ngizaba indlela continuously. You don't change izinto kungamelanga uzishintshe.
All right, there you go. Because of curfew and time constraints, we have to wrap it up as quickly as possible. It was extra time as well, so we're eating into the time here curfew. Otherwise, we hope you enjoyed the game. The Nedbank Cup continues then. We'll come back on Saturday and Sunday with Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs playing in the Nedbank Cup. Can Mamelodi Sundowns defend their Nedbank Cup title? Well, we'll accompany you along the journey of their Nedbank Cup defense. It started today. We shall see when it ends. It is skitimes.co.za, at wsp.co.za, and then of course we are at Ski TV on Facebook as well. Thank you so much for watching the video.